Hi everyone. Now we are discussing about one of the recent topic, sitting arrangement. So last video we discussed how many types of sitting arrangements and how they are solved. So already discussed in last video, first circular sitting arrangement already completed. How many models in circular sitting arrangement and how to solve that each and every type. So now second model is square model. So in this square sitting arrangement also having three types. So first one is inside, all are facing inside in square sitting arrangement. Second model is all are facing outside, and third one is inside plus outside. That means some of them facing inside and some of them facing outside. This is also starting from 5 members. So maximum generally they asked 8 to 9 members. Okay, maybe 5 members. If minimum 5 members, 5 members sitting in circular, square sitting arrangement, and all are facing inside. Otherwise, all are facing outside. Otherwise, third model, some of them facing inside and some of them facing outside. So now we are discussing about if you consider 8 members. So how they are sitting circular sitting arrangement and how to solve the three types of different models in square sitting arrangement. So now, for example, if you consider 8 members. So first model, all are facing inside. So all are facing inside having two types in square model. So first one is two persons. Okay, for example, so this is all are facing inside in square. Okay, in inside there are two types. First one is two persons on each side of the square table, and second one is four persons at sitting at four corners. So if you consider inside, so this is the first image belongs to four persons sitting at four corners. So this one. So first image belongs to four persons sitting at four corners if all are facing inside in square sitting arrangement. The second one, two persons each side of the square table. So this is second image belongs to two persons sitting in each side of the table in square if all are facing inside. So this is entire about inside in square sitting arrangement. Okay, next model is all are facing outside. So this is also having two types of same in what are the types in inside facing. Okay, so first one is same two persons facing sitting at each side of the table, and second one also four persons at four corners. So third image belongs to all are facing outside. So all are facing outside, that to four persons sitting at four corners. Okay, next fourth one and last image, otherwise last diagram belongs to all are facing outside, two persons sitting each side of the table. Okay, this is entire about square. So square have also three types. So inside plus outside also same. What about what we have to discuss in the circular sitting arrangement? The same type, same is applicable in square sitting arrangement also. So in square sitting arrangement we don't decide, otherwise we can't fix how many persons inside and how many persons outside, same like circular sitting arrangement. Okay, if you consider 8 members, in case circular sitting arrangement, if you consider 8 members, so the third one is given, that is some of them facing inside, some of them facing outside. So we don't know how many persons facing inside and how many persons facing outside. So based on the given data, we have to solve that inside plus outside facing in square. Okay, so now if you ask the easy way, only persons are given, only persons given, and the data how they are sit, we have to solve that. So we have to find out how they are sit in basic method. Okay, coming to difficulty level, coming to difficulty level. So easy method is only persons are given, so how they are sit inside, two persons at each side of the table, otherwise four persons at four corners like 1 and 2, otherwise outside 3 and 4 diagrams. So that is difficulty level means including combinations they added. So combinations means like jobs, cities, colors. Okay, 8 persons given in the question, 8 persons given, and they are from different cities. Otherwise, they are from different cities, and they liked, otherwise they like different colors, and they occupy, they specified some specific jobs. Okay, we don't fix A equal first job, B equal to second job, C equal to third job. Okay, don't fix like that. So we have to find A. In case cities we consider A from which city, we have to find out based on the given data only. Okay, don't fix like that. Okay, this is entire about square. So third model is a rectangle. So rectangle also same, inside, outside, inside plus outside. So inside having also another two types. So first one is two persons sitting at each side of the table, and next one is four sitting at four corners. So same, all are facing, if you consider all are facing inside, so this is four persons at four corners. Okay, four corners. So this is about two persons on each side of the table if they are facing inside. So this is first image, this is second image. So third diagram and fourth diagram, if all are facing outside, so third one is four sitting at four corners, and the fourth and last diagram belongs to two persons on each side of the table. So same, what we have to discuss in the square and rectangle, the same applicable in a rectangle sitting arrangement also. So and last one is inside plus outside. So inside plus outside, we have to decide based on the given data only. Don't fix if you consider 8 numbers, so 8% inside and 8% outside. Otherwise 6%, otherwise 9%, 10%. So don't fix. We have to find out all the what are the data is given. So based on the given data, we have to solve. So this is also in case easy method. Only persons are given. Only persons are given. So how they are sitting in inside, two persons on each side and four sitting at four corners. Otherwise outside, two persons on each side. Otherwise four sitting at four corners. Okay, inside plus outside. We have to find out the based on the given data only. And the difficulty level means combinations. So adding some combinations like jobs, cities, and colors. Okay, we have to find out. Okay, this is entire about square sitting arrangement and a rectangle sitting arrangement. Thank you.